Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajeem. Hello, hi, assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine, alhamdulillah. In this video guys, I am going to share with you most stunning and most beautiful button art and craft ideas for you guys. These are very pretty, these are very latest and very amazing collections for you guys. You guys easily make these button craft ideas at home. These are super incredible. So you guys easily make these button craft at home. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and keep supporting my channel. Keep watching my videos. These are very amazing, these are very unique and very pretty ideas for you guys. You guys also watch different other craft videos on my channel that was amazing and that was useful for you guys. You guys must try these button craft at home, and I hope so you enjoyed this video. If you want different hair craft videos, then you guys also must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. So guys, always think positive, always be positive. This is very beautiful, very amazing and very stunning button craft ideas for you guys. I'm glad to see you all guys. Hope so guys you all are doing well. Guys, these are very amazing, these are very stunning and very beautiful button art and craft ideas for you guys. So guys, hope so viewers you enjoyed this video and you guys share this video with your friends and with your family members. Bye bye.